Okay, and I'm just going to show you how exactly you guys can prepare yourself for the interview. Suppose if I talk about, yeah, so let it be. Okay. So if you look at here, so we have the, first of all, let me make it bit. Okay. So if you look into here, that first of all, we are focusing for the Java interview questions, which we have completed near to 10 to 15 questions. Okay. We have discussed a lot about them, how the things are working, on how is it you need to prepare for the interview, and how kind of means this such kind of basic questions also. Okay, how is it you need to understand the operator precedency and you need to answer them. This was the first kind of stuff. The second thing is W3 school. Suppose just now we have got the one means opportunity. She need to work for the internship or she need to work for the front end. So this is the W3 school, guys. If you click here, this is the home page. And suppose you don't know properly about anything, you have just little bit idea. Okay, maybe you have gone through your academics project where you have gone through some HTML and maybe you having some basic understanding about the HTML. So first of all, this is the basic track where you can learn about the HTML, okay, then JavaScript, then whatever you are looking for, but still you're not getting some confidence. Then you're having the example. So this is the entire series of examples related to the HTML, CSS, all those things. Maybe this may become a bit difficult for you, but one of the best thing is you can go through some quizzes. If I talk about the JavaScript, talk about the HTML, anything, even Java also be having the quizzes. You can go through those quizzes. You can try to have, so those are 20 to 25 quizzes. In case of HTML, this is 35 quizzes. Even you may not be able to answer them. Quizzes is just 5 to 10 minutes of job. But one of the best thing is about exercises. If you click here, Java exercises are so much good here. You can find out, okay, I need to start a Java exercise. So each and every exercise, like it's saying, I would like to print a hello world program. So system.out.println, right? So like this, you having just very good practice system here. You would like to, means it's a childish kind of stuff, but once it will become difficult, you will feel proud. So first of all, submit your questions. So yeah, it's correct. The next exercise, like this, you will having the exercise for doing your all the kind of basic stuff, exception handling, methods, arrays. So it's one kind of practice stuff. So you're having 60 exercises as part of your Java. Okay, the same thing you can follow in terms of your what to say. If I come here again, let me go. So Java exercise I shown you, right? Just click here again. Okay. Exercises and HTML. Suppose you are trying to learn JavaScript, SQL. So I will strongly recommend you go through the Java. Okay. Java is one of the best exercise you can go for. You have the SQL exercises. Okay. You can go for JavaScript exercises, but those exercises are applicable once you have the 1 week of time before the interview. Okay. Don't go one night before the exam and try to attempt them. No, no, no. You should go at least 1 week in advance. If you are going for interview, just one day advance, you can go for those particular quizzes like HTML quizzes or Java quizzes. So we will go through some Java quizzes. One of the best thing is like you would like to get some certificate. So those are the certificate, not the certification. First of all, you need to understand the W3 school is a worldwide very famous website. Its certificate is really worthwhile, but it's not a certification. It's a certificate, and they only have provided such kind of facility. So I don't think so it's really required for you, because certification is really good for your cloud computing kind of stuff. Okay, so we will go through the exercises, and I will strongly recommend you go through those exercises. Whatever you're learning now or may not be learning, one of the best thing, if you look here, suppose you are not able to answer this multi-line comment, single line comment you're getting. See, it's saying comment the Java in the written with the special characters inside the missing parts. Okay, so like this, you need to some need to cover the single line comment. So I'm saying this is the single line comment, multi-line comment, right? So slash this one, and then go to next one, then this one, like this. Suppose I have given the wrong answer. Suppose I have given the wrong answer, then you have the option of show answer here. It's saying create a variable name as card name. Okay, so I'm just creating the variable as card name. Okay, and saying, see, car name entire I cannot print here. Car name, Name should be there. So first of all, you need to define the variable. So variable means it should be the string kind of variable. So you are saying a string of variable, what car name should be there. Then you are saying assign the value as Volvo. So like this. Suppose I did this wrong. Okay, I'm saying Volvo, and Volvo I'm assigning like this, but there should be definitely double quote should be there. Okay, but I'm not keeping the double quotes. I'm just simply submitting it's wrong, and I will click here and it will show me the answer. So see, it should be in double quotes. So very basic exercise. but if you go through it, you will brush up your skills 1 week in advance, okay? Because exception part is also very important. Now come to the what to say, JavaScript kind of stuff. So JavaScript also very good recommended. SQL I will definitely say you, because see, most of interviews they are looking for the SQL, but you are not able to answer them. So basic queries, the highest salary, the lowest salary, the second highest salary kind of stuff. So guys, I think so you guys are a bit aware about the Java. So let's go through the Java quiz today. Okay, so just 5 to 10 minutes of job, and then we'll proceed further for our next level of interview questions. So anybody would like to ask any question here, or would like to discuss anything here as part of their what to say, as part of their experience? Hmm. Yeah, guys. Mhm. Yeah, Shubham. Shubham.
Hello?
Hi, Shubham.
Hello, Lucky.
Yeah. So have you attended any interview as of now?
No, as I told you that
I
I've
will.
put
You
my
will attend from
resume
the
on
November.
the Naukri.com from.
Hmm.
Hello?
Yeah. I'm able to hear
So,
you.
yeah, yes, I was starting from, I was planning to start my job hunting from November onwards. So I put my resume today itself on the Naukri.com.
Mm-hmm.
So, I was waiting for my spring course completion,
Mm-hmm.
but as it is almost over, so today I'll just put my resume on the Naukri.com. So
Okay.
till now I have not attended an interview.
And one more suggestion here, if you are going to keep your resume as part of Naukri.com, na, each and every day near to 9:30 or 10 o'clock, just try to add some words and remove some words as part of your resume. It will update your profile actually, okay, on a daily basis. So
Okay,
update your profile and
okay,
try to complete your profile 100%. Okay. Try to modify your resume or profile as part of the particular job. Maybe you are going to apply for some particular job which is recommended, maybe CSC Technology or maybe the IBM Watson, any kind of company is there, right? So maybe you need to apply
okay,
for them. So you can modify your resume. But this I have tried actually. This is the one of the best things. So I strongly believe in Naukri.com. On top of that, if you're updating your skills uh, on daily basis, possibly I'm talking about maybe somebody is looking for Angular, somebody is looking for a Spring. So that's fine, but you can change the sequence, update your profile as part of your Naukri profile, doc.com, then that will be more
okay,
number of HR will contact you.
okay.
Yeah,
Sure, I'll do that.
Lucky,
yeah.
Lucky.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yeah.
Actually, now I have one problem here. My Naukri profile is 100% completed,
Hmm.
and I regularly. Okay. I from the 1 week I am not updating regularly, but I was updating it regularly
Hmm.
before. But the thing is, I'm not getting the calls. I'm not getting the technical calls. I am getting the calls related to the non-technical things. So the problem is this only.
Yes, reason of the problem is here, like whenever you are fresher na, so freshers they are not considering much more for the technical stuff, okay? Freshers they are simply trying to cover you for other non-technical kind of stuff like marketing kind of job or sales kind of job, okay? They're not preferring you for the technology perspective, because just now you 2019 pass or something like that. So this Naukri.com profile will strongly work for those people who are really having the experience, 1 year experience, or 2 years of experience. If you're going to give 1 years of experience itself, now they will approach you. I will suggest you one of the best thing. Try to apply for the job with the help of LinkedIn actually. So suppose Pega company is there, Pega is having the Java development kind of opening. So just apply with the help of them if they having the eligibility criteria. So in this way, you can try to contact to the HR. So as a fresher, maybe you may not get the opportunity, but once you have the 6 month or 1 year of experience, na, as part of your IT sector, na, then you will get much more visibility. So Naukri.com is much more better place for the experienced people actually. Yeah. So once you will get experience, you it will be more better place for you.
Lucky.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was applying for job
Mm-hmm.
for as an backend developer. So
Mm-hmm.
you are also working as a backend developer. So I
I'm
want to
I,
ask you this.
mhm.
Yeah.
I'm only working as a backend developer as of now.
Yeah. So I was means, can you tell me please what are the different modules, Spring modules you use in your project?
Okay. Okay. Okay, so Spring module basically Spring Core is there, which is very mandatory, which is very basic. Without that, nothing is possible. The Spring Core is there. Spring MVC is equivalent to the Spring Core only because web-based application is there. The Spring MVC is also there. If I talk about the this one JPA API, right? So JPA Spring Data JPA is also very important, which I'm using as part of my project. So actually, basically, I'm from banking domain. So as part of banking domain, we are most probably using the JDBC kind of stuff or Hibernate kind of stuff. As of now, we have not gone through the IBETIX. Okay. So yeah, so those three things I will strongly recommend you: Spring Core, Spring MVC, Spring Data JPA. Those three things are there. On top of that, if you talk about the technologies, I will more talk about the frameworks, framework like uh, only Spring is sufficient for you or Hibernate is sufficient for you, which is integrated with the Spring. No need to go for independent Hibernate. Okay. But if I talk
So
about some
do you
tools, yeah.
do you need to work with the Spring AOP kind of like thing?
No, as of
Spring
now,
AOP.
no. As of now, no
No.
Spring AOP. But yeah, collection and exception handling is so much in demand. Like each and every day, I'm struggling with the exception handling. Each and every means huge, not struggling. I can say each and every day I'm using the exception handling collection, which is very important. Core Java, those things are there along with your job.
And
And
do we need to work with the front end technologies? Means like aside from Spring MVC?
Uh, actually, GSP is there. So, but GSP nobody is using it much nowadays. And if you talk about the front end, some HTML, JavaScript, some CSS, but if they haven't the dedicated work of the front end, then definitely they should have the separate developer, which is known as the front end developer. If not, then possibly they will push you to learn and do the things. So,
And
yes, yeah.
yeah. So do we need to update it with the technologies like theme leaf and
Uh,
tiles kind of like?
Yeah, I will suggest you actually if you are working with the Spring Boot na, and Spring,
Yeah.
so you have the very good integration of those kind of stuff like theme leaf is there, right? One more is very good front end technology. I just not able to remember that particular thing, but yeah, theme leaf is very famous, and even I will strongly recommend you go through some Java JSP kind of stuff as part of your front end because JSP is only the thing which is much more related to the backend and you can much more understand about the GSP. So GSTL also is very strong. So GSP, GSTL, and HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and theme leaf. Yeah, all those 4 to 5 things you can focus on. I will not say you go for the Angular because Angular you cannot understand directly until unless you know the HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Those three things are very important.
Okay, thank
Yeah. So yeah, guys. So today we will try to have the this what to say uh, how to prepare for the last minute for the interview. Suppose you got some interview call and you may not be that much expert enough to have the particular technology. So I'm just letting you know how exactly you can go through the W3 school and how exactly you can go for some particular quiz. So guys, you can unmute yourself, all 5 to 6 people. Unmute yourself and try to answer the quiz it's going to play. Okay, guys, are you a bit comfortable with the SQL also? So I am planning to start the SQL quiz also. Yeah. So let's see. This time trying to letting you know how
Okay.
exactly you can go for the last minute interview preparation. Okay,
you.
because we are from
Yes.
yes, and we don't have
Yeah.
of reading all the time. We are just lazy people. Okay, we prepare one day advance only, not 1 month or 1 week, right? So just unmute all people can unmute themselves and then try to answer the question. Each and every person having the 5 seconds of time. Try to answer as soon as possible once you will read the question. Yeah, I'm starting. Okay, guys, tell me what is the hello world perfect syntax here?
Third one.
Third
Third
one?
one.
Yeah.
Third.
Okay. Yeah,
Third.
you can talk directly actually, guys. Yeah, no need to ping me. Yeah. What is the JavaScript of the JavaScript means Java is the short for the JavaScript?
No.
Yeah, you can talk. You can talk. No need to
False.
pause.
False. False. False.
Okay. Now, do you insert the comments in the Java code? How do you insert the comment in the Java code? Tell me any one of them. Which is the correct one?
Second.
Uh,
Second
Second
one.
one.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. what the data type is used, sorry, what is the data type is used to create a variable that should store the text value?
String, second one.
Second one or third one?
String.
First
Second
one?
one.
Second string.
Why not the first?
Second.
Why not the first one? It's a class, right?
Because
First one
Java
as
is a text
small s is there.
Yeah.
Right. String is a class
Yeah.
actually. The thumb rule is here. String is a class. That's why I start with capital letters. Okay. Here, how do you create the variable with a numeric value 5? Which
Int
option?
x equal
Numeric
to
value
5. Third
int x
one.
equal
Third
to
one
5.
or first
Third.
one?
Yeah.
Num type of data type is
Hmm.
available in which kind of
Third one.
technology? No, num data type is available where? In PLSQL or SQL. If you go for that, it's a num. Okay, yeah, guys. How do you create a variable with a floating number 2.8? Which is the
Fourth
option?
one.
Fourth one?
Fourth.
Perfect. Yeah, fourth. I want 100%. Okay. Which method can we use to find the length of a string?
String object dot length.
Length में fourth one.
Fourth one,
Fourth one.
right.
Fourth
Hey
one.
guys, why not answering? Who is not answering? Shweta? Answer, yeah. Okay. Which operator is used to add the together two values? Which operator?
Second.
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 Yeah, concatenation, right. Okay. The value of a string variable can be surrounded by the single quotes, yes or no? In terms of string.
False.
False?
False.
False?
It's a double quote.
Yes.
Double quote only,
False.
single quote also. Single quote applicable where?
In JavaScript.
No.
JavaScript.
Character, guys,
CSS,
character
JavaScript,
array,
yes,
character array.
Yes.
Java, sorry.
Care.
Mhm. Which method
Acha,
can we use to
care.
return the string in the upper letter? Which method can be used to return a string in upper
First
letter?
one.
Uppercase.
First one?
Yeah.
First one.
First one or
Yes.
second one?
First one.
First one. Why exactly
First
the first
one.
one? Because camel case is being used as part of our method creation name, right? Right. Okay. Which
Yes.
operator can be used to compare two values? Compare two values.
First one. Equal to.
First one.
First one.
Hey, Shubham, answer, yaar. Ria is answering, right?
Nahi. Yeah. I was.
Answer, yaar.
Voice is coming bit late, so that's why
Okay.
I was.
No, you can read it.
Who's talking first?
You can read it. You
Yeah.
can read it. To declare an array in
Yeah.
Java, define the variable type.
Third.
So declare.
Third one.
Third one. Declare a variable. Declaration I'm talking about, not the assignment.
First one.
You are wrong, Shubham.
Acha,
Third one only.
Okay.
Declaration first one only. Yeah. Okay, it's the third one
Okay,
only.
first.
Third one only.
No, third.
Third one only.
Wait.
Third.
Third.
Array index is
Declaration. Yeah. I was
Zero.
thinking about initialization. My bad.
That's why I'm asking. That's why I'm
Zero.
choosing delay index. Okay. How do you create a method in Java?
First one.
First one. Camel case.
Let me open the chat. Actually, people are pinging.
First one.
First one. Okay. Who is pinging? Let me check first of all. This is the Sumit. Okay, Sumit, I'm looking into your reply. Okay, now. How do you call a method in Java?
First one.
Method.
First
one, yes.
Perfect. Yeah, right, Sumit.
First one.
Okay. Which keyword is used to create a class in Java?
First one. A small
First.
C
First
class.
one? Yeah, correct.
First one.
Yeah.
Correct, Sumit. So correct. Next, yeah. Which is the correct way to create an object called my obj of the class? My class.
My obj.
My obj was
Third one.
Third one? Yeah?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. In the Java, it is possible to inherit attribute and method from the one class to another.
Yes.
Attribute and method both.
Yes, possible with inheritance.
Yeah,
Attribute and method. Yeah.
both. Yeah, both.
Inheritance.
Yeah, both are possible. Inheritance, true. Yeah. Which method can be used to find the highest value of the x and y?
Uh, First one, math.max.
Method dot maximum.
Tell me,
Oh,
anyone
First
of
one,
I'm
them?
first
having
one.
confusion.
First one only. Math.max of x and y.
Okay.
Okay, which operator used to
Okay.
multiply the numbers?
Second one,
Second one.
Second.
Right.
Second.
Mhm. Okay. Which keyword is used to import the package from the Java API library?
import,
Fourth.
import,
Fourth. Import.
Import, yeah.
import
Import.
keyword. Yeah,
Not etc, not the package. It's the thing. Import the package means importing the package. You would like to import the package. There is no package kind of keyword. Import it there. Okay, yeah. Okay. How do you start writing an if statement in Java?
second one, colon
Second.
inside
Second.
Second
parenthesis.
one.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Yes.
Okay. How do you start writing a while loop in Java?
Second one,
Second one. Yeah,
Second.
we are from Java. Yeah. Java syntax. We love the Java syntax, right? Okay. Okay. Which keyword is used to return a value inside a method?
return statement.
Return. Yeah. Perfect. Return
Return.
only. Return only.
Return.
Okay. Okay. Which statement used to stop the
Break.
break? Yeah. Nice. Break.
Yeah,
It should be 100%. Let's see. Yeah.
Yes.
100%
Break.
perfect. We got 100%.
Yes.
Okay. Now we can try for the SQL. Okay, we did it. Yeah, yeah, we did it. So we have taken some time
Okay.
due to we would like to discuss. Okay, it's one kind of warm up motivation. We got the Junjuna. Basically essential. Yeah. So top time, and we will start again. Okay, but meanwhile, within 9 minutes of time, we need to complete the SQL one quiz. Okay, so let's proceed with the SQL. I'm looking for the chat. Whoever is going to reply, I will. Yeah, start, guys. Which
third
SQL
one,
stand for
structured query
SQL?
language.
Third one. Third.
Third
Third.
one, structured query language. Okay, perfect.
Third.
Which SQL statement used to extract the data from database?
Select.
First one, yeah, correct.
Select. Keyword. Select.
Yeah, perfect. Which
Yeah.
SQL statement used to update a database?
Update. Second.
Uh,
Second.
Second.
update.
Yeah,
Second.
perfect. Yeah, okay. Which SQL statement used to delete the data from the database? Delete.
Delete.
First one only.
Delete only.
Guys, why is so much slow? Okay, delete. Yeah. Okay, delete only. Okay. Which SQL statement used to insert the new data in database? Sumit is
Insert
replying
into.
like anything.
Insert into.
Sumit is replying like anything. Must appear immediately. He's replying. Okay. Which SQL? How do you select the column named first name from the table named person?
Select first name from person.
Right.
Third
Last
one.
one.
Select first name person. Third one.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. With SQL, how do you select all the columns from the table named persons?
Select star from person.
Right.
Select
Correct.
star
Third
from
one.
person. Third.
Correct.
Third.
Right. Okay. Which SQL statement, how do you select all the record from the table named person where the value of the column named first name and is Peter?
Select star from.
Third one. No, last one.
Select star from.
Last one.
Fourth one.
Fourth one? Correct, guys?
Yeah, fourth one. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
perfect. Yeah, it's the fourth one only. Okay. With SQL, how do you select all the record person where the value of the column first name start with an A?
A percentage means third one.
Third one?
Third one. Third
Yeah,
one.
third one?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Third one
Third
only.
one. Third one.
Yeah,
Yes.
perfect. Yeah. The OR operator display a record if any condition listed are true and display the record if all conditions are true. It's right?
True first.
First, yeah.
True, true, true.
True, true.
Yes.
So,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, true.
or is for the any one of them and for all of them, right? Okay. With SQL, how do you select all record from the table name person where the first name is Peter and the last name is Jackson? Yeah, guys. Sumit have
Select
replied.
star from first one.
With SQL.
Third
Third,
one? Yeah.
third one.
Hmm. Third one, right. Correct. Sumit is replying like anything. Okay. With SQL, how do you select
Sumit
all the
is
records
bullet
from the
train.
table named person where the last name is alphabetically between the hustle and the person? Guys, read it perfectly, no problem.
Hudson.
How do you
How
select
do
all
you
the records
select
from
all
the
the
table?
records from the
Person.
table name?
Hmm. Where the last name
Where
alphabetically
last
between.
name?
Yeah. Answer will be
Yeah,
the first one only, guys. You can
First,
first one only.
yeah.
first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. There is no kind of gator operator. Clear cut. See, question is big, but if you look into the answer, you have only one answer, which is first one. Okay. So just let me repeat it here. With SQL, how do you select all the record from the table name person? All the where the where the first name and the last name. Okay. Last name. Let's proceed further. Okay. With SQL stream used to return only different values.
Unique. Select distinct. Last one.
Mm, hmm.
Dia.
Unique.
No, distinct.
Mm,
There is
from
no
my
unique.
side first.
It's a third one.
Okay.
Yeah. With SQL,
Then
word is
I
used to short the result set.
okay.
Result set. Which one?
Order, order
Order
by,
by.
Order by.
Order.
order by.
There is no option like short by. Okay, order by only. With SQL, how can you return all the record from the table name person shorted descending by first name? Right. Second answer will be there, guys.
Yeah,
Select
yeah,
Start
one
order
from
by
person, order
person.
first
by the
name
person.
descending. Yeah,
Yeah.
Order by.
descending.
I already told you there is no option order short by order or short. Okay, there is a second option clear cut. Okay, perfect. With SQL, how can you insert a new record into the person's table? You would like to insert a new record.
Third
Insert
one.
into
Third
Third
one.
person
one.
values.
Yeah,
Third one.
yeah, perfect.
Third one.
Mhm. Okay. With SQL, how can you insert Olsman as a last name into the person's table? Yeah, guys.
First one. First
First
one.
one. Yeah.
First
First
one.
one.
Yeah, yeah.
First one. Yeah, perfect. First one is perfect. Hmm. Okay. How can you change Hassan into the Nilsen and last name column in the person's table? So first of all, you need to know it's a update
Modify.
Third
query.
one, I think.
Third one, last name is a
Third.
do you would like to Hassan into the
First.
Nilsen? Yeah.
Update na. Update
Third
with
one. Yeah.
third
Third
one.
Yeah,
one. Third
third
one.
one.
There is no option of modify. Third one only. Okay. You would like to update
Modify. Yes.
Hassan into the Nissan. So it's Nissan. Where this one? Yeah. Third one only. Okay. With SQL, how can you delete the record where the first name is Peter into the person's table? Delete record.
First one.
First
First
one
one.
only. First one only. Yeah.
The first one. Yeah.
Okay. With SQL, how
First.
can you return the number of records from the person table?
Select count start from
Second
person.
one.
Second.
Second one. Count
Second
start.
one, yeah, count start from. Yeah. Okay. What is the most common type of join?
Inner join.
Inner
Inner
join.
join.
Right, right. Which operator is used to select the value within a range?
Between.
Between.
Between?
Nine. Between. I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
within a
Between.
range.
Between.
Both include. Between
Yes.
means both inclusive. Yeah, between only. Yeah. Null, not null constant enforce the column not to accept the null value. True or false?
Two.
True
True.
only.
Yeah.
True.
Hmm. Okay. Which operator used to search for the specified pattern in the column?
Super button.
Like
Second one,
Like
operator.
like operator, right? Okay. Which SQL statement used to create a table into the database? It's a very simple.
create table.
Create table into the
Second
database.
one.
Create table.
Create table.
Yeah.
Yeah. It should be 100%. Yeah, guys, perfect. 100% only. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, we are going to connect again. Yeah, again we did it. So we are going to connect it again because within 1 minute this meeting is going to open. You can connect it again. And guys, I hope so. This is a little bit
Okay.
funny kind of thing. You know, we can work on it. Even
Actually.
we having the spring kind of questions
Uh-huh.
also. Spring kind of questions also there. So if anybody is aware about
Oh,
the spring, now we can go for spring kind of questions also. So is it fine for you guys if we will go for the HTML? How much you want XML? I think so. You everybody should know. We will go for XML after
Yeah.
this, and then we will go for HTML because XML you should know, SQL you should know, or Java you should know, right? So again, we will try to connect again. Okay, guys, let's connect
yes,
again.
yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Let's connect again.